Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on auto rotate screen in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to on guys your auto rotate, and guys how can you use your auto rotate setting. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's start the video guys. How can we on auto rotate? So friends, first of all open your phone setting to on your auto rotate. Then guys scroll. Guys display setting guys, tap here. Then guys again scroll. Then guys you can see your auto rotate screen. So guys you can on from this right side. And guys how can you use? So guys you are operating YouTube. And guys you want to rotate your phone like so, as you can rotate like that. Then guys you can use your auto rotate setting guys. I will have to connect guys Wi-Fi. I don't have not data, so you can rotate your phone guys like that. You can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate screen in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.